What is going on, guys? So in this video I'm going to show you how to create this type of text animation from 24K John edit, and without wasting your time, let's get into the video. So I have my text here, so detective and Morgan, and now this is what we do. Turn off our Morgan. I'm actually using this font, so this is the name of the font I'm using, and this is actually not like a font, but we're going to use this. Now make sure your anchor point is at the side here. You can use your pen behind tool to move your anchor point to the side, to the left, or if you are using scripts you can also position this too. So we're going to create a keyframe for position, P for position, and we're going to create a keyframe for S for scale, and we'll hit U to reveal our keyframes. And now let's move it, and now go to your scale. Make sure you uncheck this, and now move to the side here, set it to 0. Move your position just a bit here. Just highlight your keyframes, ease them, make a quick graph like this. Go to your text properties here and go to animate and add blur to this to make a keyframe for the blur, and make another keyframe again. Let's go to 1, 2, 3 frames. We are going to increase the blurriness. Now go to your animate again and go to fill RGB and go to your range selector again and go to advanced, and let's change our shape to ramp down. And on the video you can see the red is at the right side and the white is at the left, so let's change this from ramp down to ramp up. Let's go to our Morgan. For the Morgan, let's add fade up characters. Hit U to reveal your keyframes, and at the end we have something like this. And now let's go to the Morgan again and let's add fade out slow. Hit U to reveal your keyframes. Let's extend the keyframes so it takes some time. Let's import our magnifying glass. Scale this down, but make sure you place your anchor point just at this side here. So move this to this side here. Let's make a keyframe for the scale, and for rotation make a keyframe. And now let's go hit U to reveal your keyframes, and now let's go back in time. So let's rotate this, so you can choose any angle you want the rotation to start. I'll go for something like this, and I'll position this a bit here. Now let's go to our scale and set it to 0. Just highlight your keyframes, ease. You can make this graph like this. So if I go here, you can make this type of graph, and when it gets here we are going to make another keyframe. So we're going to move this just like here, move it just a bit here, and we're going to move magnifying glass to the end. So just select it and move it to the end too. So now let's add our magnifying effect. So create an adjustment layer, add magnifying to your adjustment layer and bring the down. And now let's move our center to this side here. So now create a keyframe for the center and our radius and magnification. You can also add purge to this. Here we're going to set it to 0, and as soon as it gets to this side we want it to magnify. So here we can still increase our magnification, so for the E. And if you play this, let's play this and see. With this is going to follow our magnifying glass, so we'll put it to this side, and now we are going to bring this to our end here. So actually this is what we have now. So I'm just trying to show you guys how you can create this type of animation. Pre-compose this, add bevel and emboss, so bevel alpha, and just increase our light and bring our bevel down, add deep glow, and you can also change the tint. So go for something yellowish. You can also add drop shadow, so you can copy these settings, add it to our detective. So pre-compose this and Ctrl V and paste it there. And for our drop shadow, duplicate the drop shadow, and for the angle just move it down and increase the distance so that it covers the Morgan, and you can see from here. So you can increase the softness too, you can bring it down. Basically, this is how to create this test animation, and I'll be leaving the project file on my PAYHIP. See you in my next video. Peace.